Hello, this is Lewis and Clark Scout Press.
Scout Press hopes you have a very holly jolly month and a great time watching this video.
Welcome to the news segment. I'm Lane.
And I'm Kylie.
Thanksgiving has passed and it's officially the Christmas season.
In today's news segment, a brand new council with a brand new mayor for Huntington Beach, the swearing in for new members for Don Kennedy.
That's it for the segment. Next is reviews.
Hey Scouts, I'm Ella, and today I'm going to be reviewing my favorite game to play, Block Blast. Block Blast is an amazing game, and it's similar to Tetris, but the blocks don't fall, and there's no time limit. The blocks disappear when placed in rows, and the goal is to eliminate all the blocks as many times as you can. A simple yet fun game that has many people hooked. I highly recommend it. That's all, Scouts. See you next week.
Maxton, and this is how to. Today I will teach you how to get money. This time of year is the perfect time to get some because you can buy gifts for your family. The first way to get some money is by shoveling driveways. There's a lot of snow, so we're probably gonna make bank. Another way is to do some chores at your grandparents' house. They're usually loaded, so you'll get some pretty good money. Some other things you can do with your money, you can buy presents for your family or give to charity, like my charity. So all you have to do is open up your piggy banks and give me money, please. I have to buy a present for my parents, please.
Welcome to the joke segment. Why did the cell phone get glasses? Because it lost all its contacts. What's a math teacher's favorite winter sport? Figure skating. And that concludes the joke segment. On to the next segment.
Hi, I'm Addison. What are your guys' names?
My name's Remy.
Levi. Okay, so would you rather chickens clucking or dogs barking all of your Christmas music and for the entire season, and why?
Dogs barking because I have a dog and I'm used to it.
Chickens clucking because I like them clucking because they're cool. Yeah.
I'm Addison. What are your guys' names?
I'm Aubrey.
And I'm Sophia. Okay, so would you guys rather chickens clucking or dogs barking all of your Christmas music for the entire season, and why?
Dogs, because I have 2 dogs, and my neighbors at my cabin have dogs, so there's constant dogs. So, dogs.
Okay. I would say dogs because I have 4 dogs, and I'm just really used to it. Okay. Thank you. Hi, I'm Addison. What are you guys' names?
Spencer. I'm Charlie.
Okay, so would you guys rather listen to chickens clucking or dogs barking all of your Christmas music for the entire season, and why?
I will listen to dogs barking because I'm already used to it because I already have a bunch of dogs. I'd listen to dogs barking because at night I can't even sleep because there's like 15 dogs in one house and they're all outside at the same time.
Okay, would you rather dogs barking or chickens clucking all of your Christmas music, and why? For the entire season.
Chickens because I used to own a bunch.
Nice, thank you.
Liam.
Okay, would you rather chickens clucking all your Christmas music or dogs barking? And for the entire season, and why?
Dogs barking because I love dogs.
Chickens clucking because I have a rhythm.
Okay, so what are you guys' names?
Oh, Anthony.
Joel.
Okay, so the question is, would you rather dogs barking or chickens clucking all of your Christmas music for the entire season, and why?
Dogs because I love dogs.
Same.
Oh, okay, so what's your guys' names?
Rylan.
Paisley. Okay, so would you rather dogs barking or chickens clucking all of your Christmas music for the entire season? Why?
I would do chickens clucking because I have a bunch of chickens.
I'll do chickens because I just like chickens. Okay, Addison, thank you.
What's your name?
Savannah. Okay, so would you rather ducks clucking or dogs barking all of your Christmas music, and you have to use it for the entire season, and why?
Probably dogs because I'm used to my dogs barking.
Good idea. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, today I'm with
Ms. Zundel.
I'm going to ask you 2 questions, Ms. Zundel. The beginning one is, why did you want to teach math?
Math was always my favorite subject in school. I enjoyed learning about it. I enjoyed doing my homework when I took math, so I got my focus in math at MSU, so that's why.
Nice. Okay, the second question is, why did you want to teach middle school and not elementary school?
Middle schoolers are really funny. They're so much fun. They have a ton of energy. I love keeping up with their lingo, all the brain rot. And I only have you for an hour a day, so if it's a tough day, I can say see you later.
Oh. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Toby Bradish, and I'm here interviewing Mercer and Leo about Tabletop Games Club. What is your favorite thing about Tabletop Games Club, Mercer?
My favorite thing is you get to work together, and it's like medieval role play, and then like if someone messes up, you laugh at them, and it's fun.
Okay, Leo, what's your favorite part about Tabletop Games Club?
It's really exciting because you don't know what you're gonna get.
Okay, can you both tell me a little bit more about Tabletop Games Club, Mercer?
I really like to annoy my friends if they roll a really bad number.
Leo?
It's basically just like where you fight enemies and laugh.
Why would you recommend this to new students next year, Mercer?
Because it's really fun, and it just like helps bond your friendship. Like when someone messes up, for example, like I remember when my friend messed up and got like a 1, and then we all laughed at him for like the rest of the day and the next day. So yeah, it was fun.
Leo?
Because it's just like super fun and exciting and just like makes you laugh.
Yay.
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 Hi, my name is Olive with Your Motivational, and your motivational is it's hard to beat someone who never gives up, and this comes from Babe Ruth.
Did you know? I'm Ilea.
And I'm Brooke.
Did you know bananas are berries, but strawberries are not?
Wow. Did you know that the tallest Lego building is 114 feet tall?
Did you know I am is the shortest complete sentence in the English language?
Did you know that 43 days is the longest time a hot air balloon has flown?
Thanks for tuning in.
Hey guys.
We hope you had a great episode.
Our first episode of December.
Continue with us through this holiday season.
And come back for future episodes.
Goodbye.
And have a great day, Scouts.